Ebusia mayantoa yen enkomo ne so. Yeguso ayo kwan so se yebe create blog na ye dey make money ewo online. Nti ni we no ye hwe kwan ye befa so a yebe use premium theme na ye dey ahye yen site na ye create yen nim no. Nti se won hwe sa video na ye dey create site ewo blogger.com na obetimi ahwe video ne wo chire no na wosua e dey free ho no mo. Nti mayantoa enkomo ne so. Yen sesa yen theme no. Okay, first of all, no, over to me, I call website the so it is a templatesyard.com. Now, what be far on team in our honey the opposite we use, now we be, sir, thing we say, a fine we super pro blogger template, we say, a fine as a responsive premium version, and a free version so you be go by the free na H3 na say be premium na yakọ okay this when you ho na me download ne so another thing about so you be me say call Google na search for free blogger template for AdSense approval ne nyina na pese nya AdSense approval nti o se nya theme a ebe boaye okay na we be result nim na wa hwehwe de ene go niche no ebe fa okay nti hwehwemua na efa de ope edos bebre meni yaje we ho pese me use we say nti obetimi mia live demo ne so na wa hwese nya tie e o say e na eye e wo site ne so okay okay nti no when je ho a then ne wo mia download ne so after say wa download with theme no ewie no go back to a blogger site ho no ne mia themes and as a theme name ya sa arrow na pointed down so neko restore afi ko select with theme no oh say enshow e wa ha say the entire enshow ni say on say e by in zip format nti say wo extract nti yenko extract okay good afi yento process ni so restore upload downloads any okay good nti so far we ne hwehwe smooth great free hwan we umia so then open a restore amaye simple nti yen view your blog no me pese mesesa theme no because maye sa menu we say so menu no maye ewo settings nim layout na wasan kenya main menu ana menu ebinim nti eba ne sana yentimi ensesa sa menu no nti no sana tie dia ene meyiye free ho no mo mesesa theme no nti in that case no I was say remove gadget and nti sa dia ba ko na eba no ebe san so abeka we mu ho nti wo de I may try say ana say I go by the default theme no na me say ensesa me go default this one na me say ebetimi aye bibia ma me okay afa yen add new theme na efese no beboa ya na yen view your blog ni na yen hwe ma yen ko layout na yen hwe say ebenya sa feature no e wo ho na asesa me kire main menu no good main menu ni na almost answer for top navigation okay fine it's yes some main menu no na yen fa ye de en hye ho no mo so hwe menu na de ho nyina we nyina hu hia ye enu nyina hu hia ye ti sesane nyina delete bibia okay bia ho ni na so be jade a but in this case ni de I just say ye bie ye menu no okay ye menu page no this ye bie ni nyina one after the other okay into you copy link na you go back to layout then go main menu no add new we disclaimer no paste the link na sha no save then go next one we disclaimer you go we okay privacy policy paste the link natural privacy policy let's save it ne ko new ne close way where you contact us copy na yanko paste contact us yen save new, and copy link, back to blogger, paste, about us, save. We are no save handle. That's all. Say top navigation, ma yemfa yen pages no enko hwehwe ho. Enti pages na ebia in a new tab. Na yenko layout. Na me and pencil icon ne so. Top navigation ho. Afi me and pencil we ho as edit. Na select we nyina na delete. When you about nti yenko yen about no. Na copy link na fabra back na paste ha. Na me a save. Contact na the same thing. Save it. We are no save you ha say. You refresh your page eno na ba ha say no. So NTCC yenya top menu na yenya main menu. Okay. So you create categories bia na you ba be share main menu nim. Okay. Good. Enti no ma yes your logo no. Okay. Header logo. See me a pencil ne so. Na emia upload. Na me a choose file ne so. Na select your file no. Save. Na you refresh your page na you. Okay, logo na abasha ho no. Se ohun gadget na wa say na, se wo bi o blog na, enema na wo write ha say no. Eno o ma represent no gadgets. Nti emu de hu hia wo no. Na wo delete frame. Nti ade bia wo mpe wa ha bia no, utimi delete se ne ye remove ba akone de no. All right. Nti no mame social plugin na wa ha say no. Sa we eno ni social plugin no. Nti wo social media account no. Wo de eno so na link no ba ba hyehyɛ ha say. Ti so bi mia either Facebook and say Twitter and say ni so a ed ne be call o page ho. For now no for no team for ne de na wa ha say ti say yen free ho a obi mia so a ed ne be call omo page, okay. Enye sa na ye pe no. All right. Nti wakasa wo de e be hye ho. So find the challenge bia na wo de na wama me hu no. Okay, and subscribers no. And your YouTube way. We say it's mama fa me YouTube ne me hye ho. Subscribers no me edit. Na me copy embedded code no. Embed. Okay, na me call blogger hobby. Na me paste you ha say. Na me save it. Nti e was say me YouTube ne show ha say me refresh it. Sa pepe na aye nanso no ekwan na ye kese dodo omo je na ye ketewa bi esan say size na me fire no. Okay, person can go back and so no enye ye nka me hwe omo size na nse na ti pepe na me dey media nti ba cha ya opeso ye sa na hwe size na e short ho na e replace it by word ye no. Why ti say na ye dey just me jai ne sa man ye kese say ya wa say for now the me jai ne say ya. Okay, most popular no yen call most popular. Number of articles I will show no my 5 here. Okay, 4 and 5. Now most viewed, we can say all time. Okay, good. Now you save. Okay, it is your most viewed poster ever has say. Okay, Facebook we say no, and you can't want some of that tax and so, and then you can't want some and random. Okay, and the categories the categories in showbiz category, and yeah. Okay, so for now, I think say Bibia you okay for now. Dear here say you publish it your content Inti mame ensan sombra na me sure sane ye be SEO. Ye SEO ane dia pet traffic. We benya traffic bia na sure na ye nyina ye hu sane ye betu saa na mo no. Okay. Inti ye share e wasa video enim say we ye brew ani so a obehwe previous video no. Na watene ma see follow me kakra ko say you be AdSense approved now you dey making money Google AdSense me share online. Inti my share was a video ni macro for now.